को बराह रास्त ले चलें। बेनज़ीर हुनरमंद प्रोग्राम के इजरा की तकरीब जारी है, जिससे सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी खिताब कर रहे हैं।
I called him over and I explained the program to him. I was not the president, he was the finance minister. We were still in the tug of war with Musharraf. And he understood, and mashallah, this program is where it is today. I'm not saying it's perfect. I'm not saying it doesn't need to tinker with. I'm not saying that we don't need more to do. We intend to do more. We inshallah will do more. But slowly we'll catch the bunny. Inshallah, soon every household, every kid, every child, we will educate. We will launch them to teach, study, and learn. And that is the philosophy of People's Party, originated by Mr. Zulfikar Ali, Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and carried forward by Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto. And here again, according to her mindset and wisdom, we follow suit. So we follow suit, and hopefully the skills that we develop will not just be for the country, but for abroad also. We have a program where I will speak with Madam Rubina and their staff and the secretary and everybody, that there are people in the world who approached us, who approached the Pakistani government. The ambassadors have spoken to us that they want manpower, but they want guaranteed manpower. They want, if somebody says he's a plumber, he should be a plumber. If somebody is a driver, he should be a driver. But therefore, our skill ability has to go up. Now the driver today, or the chauffeur today, he needs to know computers. Everybody needs to come into modern technology and learn how the modern system works. And then we can always make this an export model. For example, in Sindh, I gave 4,000 rupees to a child who enrolls himself into nursing school. And I think 5,000 to the man and 4,000 to the woman. I don't remember the figures. But because of that, we have so many nurses going abroad to work. And there is a demand in the world. Like, for instance, Philippines, all you see is all of them around the world working. So we also need to take one of these subjects like nursing very seriously and teach them nursing of a certain standard. Everybody has a protocol today. Throughout the world, there is a protocol in hospitals. So we have to be able to transfer that technology here, approve them accordingly, and then if they're coming for Germany, we should be able to teach them the German language. If they're coming from China, we should be able to teach them the Chinese language also. And like that, for every other country where there is a demand for labor, we should put a language course in it, with it. And we can give bonus point. The government of Sindh is willing, and the federation I will talk to give bonus points for those kids. Like if you all are giving them X amount for Hunar, I would like them to do computer and driving and go abroad. So we'll give them bonus points for that. We'll give them extra incentives for that. Nothing works better than incentive. Everywhere, whatever we do, we should incentivize it. And that's how we attract people, rather than any other way. But attention should be drawn via giving them all these facilities so they feel at home. So inshallah, By the grace of Allah, we intend to do all that and more. Thank you everybody for being with us today. I must remind you, today is 21st of June, the longest day of the year. For us, as a family and a party, it is a sad and a happy occasion. It is sad because we lost somebody whose shadow we used to walk in. And happy because in our concept, she becomes a martyr and she is a shaheed. And shaheeds are asked no questions. In fact, they keep guiding us. And I think this is one program she guided us from the skies for. Thank you, gentlemen.
एक लैंडमार्क प्रोजेक्ट उसका इजरा होने जा रहा है बदस्त सदर मुमलिकत जनाब आसिफ अली जरदारी साहब।
बेनज़ीर हुनरमंद प्रोग्राम
सदर में बेनज़ीर हुनरमंद प्रोग्राम की तकरीब से सदर आसिफ अली ज़रदारी खिताब कर रहे थे, जिसमें उनका बताना था कि बेनज़ीर हुनरमंद प्रोग्राम के तहत कंप्यूटर, जदीद तालीम और हुनर भी सिखाए जाएंगे। हुनर सीख कर नौजवान दियार गैर में मुल्क का नाम रोशन करेंगे।